What's going on, people? It's the one and only Captain here. Today I've got something special in place for you lot. I'm doing a bike ride, my second bike vlog now, but I'm going to be testing out a new camera that I bought, a GoPro, specifically designed for all kinds of sports activities. So I thought, you know what, might as well just give it a test. So I'm out here in Birmingham city centre on Kent Street on the newly built A38 cycle route. Highly recommend you check this bike route out. It's going to be a nice bike ride, and make sure you have a go yourself. So we're going to start in the city centre, go towards Bristol Street, and it's going to take us towards Selly Oak. I got my brother with me. He's got his Carrera, as you can see, brand spanking. Yeah.
More cars specifically for this vlog. To pop the first vlog, then we pop the second vlog. Obviously, some of you people miss me sometimes. I'm not in all the videos. Probably this specific video, yeah. So keep laughing. Keep it.
But you better make sure you're not lagging. Because in the last one you were lagging.
I'm not lagging.
You get me? So, ready? Let's do this. On the Bristol Road, A38 cycle route. As you can see, look, it's all blue, which is a distinctive colour, unique for a cycle path. And then, as you can see, that's where the cars are going on the dual carriageway. Got my brother in front of me. Don't need to navigate on this one though, does he? Because you should know the route. You should know the route on this one, yeah, bro. It's all blue, yeah. See. So, it's got traffic lights as well, you get me? Traffic lights as well, for the bike lane and that. So at the moment it's on red. So when that goes back to green, then I can carry on. Just like traffic light system for the cars. The cars are going now, taking a left. So obviously I need to stop, because otherwise they're going to cut me up. Giving you a different angle as well, so you can see the rear view. I'm on the right hand side now of the A38 Bristol Road cycle path. Initially I was on the left hand side, so it chops and changes as well. So far so good, man. Really nice. Because you gotta sometimes cross the roads over as well, and that's why the bike path leads on to the next side of the road. That's where the other side of the path is. So what are you saying then, bruv?
The beauty of cycling, you can get anywhere. You can escape the traffic, no restrictions. All you have to do is ride safely. Make sure you're wearing your PPE. I'm not wearing PPE because I'm a master. Alright.
Man's got a Carrera, see, look, it's blowing now.
I recommend people to ride their bikes on a daily basis, you know. As you work locally, you take your bike, save yourself petrol, no road tax, no MOT, no car insurance. No recommending that.
We've covered quite a bit, about 4k of the A38 route from the city centre towards Selly Oak now. As you can see right behind us, you've got a nice circular roundabout just behind us. If you carry on going straight that way, you're deep into Selly Oak, but we're not going to carry on headed there because our cut-off point was past the University of Birmingham towards Queen Elizabeth Hospital. So where are you reckoning, Gaff? Where are you reckoning, Chris?
I reckon in traffic time, like for example rush hour time, if you're coming from city centre to Selly Oak, you're better off cycling it, because literally it took us only about 20 minutes.
Really good experience as well.
10 out of 10, amazing. Yeah,
that's it. So when you're with your boys, when you're with your boys, go from the city centre towards Selly Oak on the blue little
That's
path.
if they can hack it.
Yeah, no, they should be able to.
Yeah.
That's it, sure. Yeah, highly recommend it. So that's another activity done, and I wanted to test my GoPro out as well. So that's done as well. I gotta say, it's sick. I recommend it. Really good for activities, especially when you're on the go, showing your live action and that.
There's only one captain and there's 1,000 sidekicks. and I'm proud to be one of them.
Hopefully see you on the next adventure. Captain out. Nice one.
Nice one.